All right, so our last winner for this, or last drawing for this, did not respond within 72 hours, and I gave them a little more than 72 hours actually. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and pick a new winner. All right, go ahead and take off that timestamp there. Okay. Gave them more than 72 hours to contact me. You can find the contact info in the About section or on any of my other links. So we'll go ahead and do a new drawing. And our new winner is, all right, Nikki. All right, congratulations, you're the new winner. 72 hours to contact me, and we'll get that sent out to you. Remember, everybody, get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.